Fougasse. It's not really a pizza, not really a bread, it's Fougasse. You can find Fougasse in every bakery in the south of France. It's a lunch, it's a snack, it's a tapas, it is whatever you like. I'm Wes Woolman, welcome back to the Gourmet Gambit. 10 grams of salt, 7 grams of dried yeast, 4 good tablespoons of olive oil, and we're going to pour our water little by little. And we're going to let the dough rise for 1.5 hours. In the meantime, we're going to slice a little tomato. Take out the seeds and then really into very thin slices. The same for the olives. We also got our bacon cubes, grated cheese of your choice, and the herbs de Provence. After 1.5 hours, our dough has almost tripled, very elastic. And we're going to make 2 big Fougasse. We're going to use some olive oil and we're going to give this a nice shape, sort of a leaf shape, 1 centimeter thick. And we're going to take a knife and we're going to cut in the middle, and we're going to put some diagonal cuts on the side. Open it up a little bit from all the sides. We're going to put it on our oven plate. Olives, don't overdo it, there are going to be more ingredients on there. Herb de Provence. Good peppermint. Some tomato slices here and there. Bacon. Some cheese. You can choose any cheese you like. Parmesan is quite nice as well. Blue cheese, you name it. And now we're going to let our dough rise again for half an hour. Preheat your oven up to 220 degrees Celsius. Just before you put your Fougasse in the oven, you can pour a little bit more olive oil on the top. Let the Fougasse cool down to lukewarm. Pour a last little fillet of olive oil. Yes, the Fougasse loves olive oil. And here you go. You can use any topping you like. A very popular one is with the French blue cheese, Roquefort, walnut and figs. You can make this your signature Fougasse. So all that's left to say for me, my dear friends, bon appetit and see you back soon.